Good day, everyone. This is Teacher, and welcome to New Vision International School online teaching. Now, for today's lesson in math, we are going to review the following topics. We have sum up to 10, addition sentence, subtraction, subtraction sentence, and addition and subtraction revision. Okay, to start with, we are going to answer this math worksheet, this revision worksheet. So first, don't forget to write your name on the 3 lines. As you can see, you have here 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you need to write your name here properly. So say for example, your name is Sheila. You need to write like this. And you're going to circle whether you belong to KG2A or KG2B. So say for example, you belong to KG2A, you circle KG2A. Okay, so let's start. Okay, complete the addition sentence and find the sum. Okay, so let's take number 1. So again, when you say addition, it means you are going to put things together. And you can see here also the symbol for addition, which is called the plus sign. So if you see this sign, it means you put things together, or it means you need to add. Okay, so here in number 1, you have here 2 plus 2. All right, so first, okay, you have here 2. You have here 2 fish. 1, 2, 2 here, plus another 2, 1, 2. So 2 plus 2, it means you need to put all these things together. So you need to put all these things together. It means you need to count all. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 2 plus 2 equals 4. Okay, so you need to write number 4 on this line. All right, so let's go to number 2. You have 2 plus 3. Okay, so 2 tigers plus another 3 tigers. So it means you need to put things together. You need to count all. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay. So I think you can answer this alone. You just ask mom or dad's help so they can guide you in answering. Teacher will give you time for you to solve, and later you will see if your answers is correct. Okay. Okay, so are you done answering? Okay, this time let's check your work. Okay, so again, we have here 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Next, we have 4 plus 3. You have here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 butterflies plus 3, another 3 butterflies here. 1, 2, 3. So you are going to put all these butterflies together. So it means you need to count all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have 4 plus 3 equals 7. So you have to write number 7 here. Next, we have 1, 2, 3. You have here 3 as your first number. So first group, you have 3 objects. Okay. plus another group here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 as your second group. So 3 plus 5, you need to count all the objects together. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's why you have 8 as your answer. Next, we have 1, 2, 3. That's why you have here number 3. 3 objects on the first group plus 1 object in the other group. So when you have your 1. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. Okay, so if you are going to put all these things together, you will have the answer 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 3 plus 1 equals 4. Okay, so I hope your answers are all correct. So let's go now to the next page. Okay, so this time you are going to complete the subtraction sentence and find the difference. Okay, so again, subtraction is one of the basic operation in math, which means to take away. Take away means you need to get, or you get something from the other group, or you get, or you take away. And you can see the symbol there. You have here the symbol. This is called the minus sign. So if you see this symbol, it means you subtract. It means you take away. So in number 1, you have here 6 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 as your first number minus, you take away 3. So you can see 3 x's. 1, 1, 2, 3. So 6 minus 3 equals how many fish left here? Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3. So 6 minus 3 equals 3. Okay, next. Let's go to number 2. So again, you have 6 minus 4. So you have here 6 as your first number, which means you have 6 tigers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 4. It means you take away 4 tigers. So you can see 4 x's here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 6 minus 4 equals what? How many tigers are left? So you have 1, 2. So 6 minus 4 equals 2. So that's why you have number 2 here as your answer. All right. So I think you can answer this alone. Once again, you ask your mom or your dad's help so they can guide you in answering. Teacher will again give you time for you to solve, and later you are going to see your answers. Okay. Okay, so are you done? Okay, this time we are going to check your answers. Okay, so again, you have 6 minus 3 equals 3. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Next, you have 7 minus 7 equals 0. So you have your 7 butterflies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus, you take away also 7. So that's why you can see here, you also put X on the 7 butterflies. So no more butterfly here. And if it's nothing, it means 0. 0 means nothing. So 7 minus 7 equals 0. All right. So next we have 5 minus 2 equals 3. 5 here as your first number because you have 5 objects. Okay, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why you have 5 as your first number. Minus 2. 2 means the number of objects that you take away. So you take away 2. 1, 2. So you have here your second number, which is 2. It means the objects that you take away. So 5 minus 2, okay, how many objects left? You have 1, 2, 3. That's why you have 3 here as your answer. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Okay, now let's go to number 5. All right, we have 5 as your first number because you have here 5 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then minus how many objects here with x? So you need to count 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why you have here number 4. It means 5 objects and you take away minus 4. So how many objects left? Okay, so you only have 1. So 5 minus 4 equals 1. Okay, so I hope your answers are correct. So let's go to the next. Okay, so again, don't forget, if you see this sign, it means what? Is it a plus sign or a minus sign? Huh? Yes, this one is a plus sign. And if it's a plus sign, it means you need to add. It means it is addition. So first, let's take the first number, which is 3 plus 1. So again, you need to raise your fingers. First, 3 fingers like this. 1, 2, 3, plus 1. Okay, so you have your 1 as your second number. So 3 plus 1, you need to put all your fingers together. So how many fingers are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so 3 plus 1 equals 4. Okay, next. Let's go to the next one. Again, you can see the plus sign. It means you add. Okay, good, KG. So you have 5 plus 5. So again, show me your 5 fingers like this plus 5. So again, another 5 fingers like this. Okay, so 5 plus 5. You have your 5 and another 5. We put them together. So we need to count all the fingers here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay. So I think you can answer this alone. Once again, you ask your mom or your dad's help so they can guide you in answering. Again, teacher will give you time for you to solve and later you can check if your answer is correct. Okay. Okay, so are you done? Okay, let's check now your answer. Okay, so again, we have 3 plus 1 equals 4. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. And 7 plus 1 equals 8. So I hope all your answers are correct. So let's go now to the next page. Okay. So again, you need to find the difference. So again, you look at the sign, you look at this symbol. Okay. Is this a plus sign or a minus sign? Yes, this one is a minus sign. So if it says minus, it means you need to subtract. It means you take away. Okay, so let's start. 5 minus 2, it means you need to raise your 5 fingers first, like this. Minus 2, it means you need to take away 2 fingers. 1, 2. Okay, so this time we need to count the number of fingers left. 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer? 5 minus 2 equals 3. Good. Okay, so this time let's go to the next one. 7 minus 1. Okay, so again, raise your 7 fingers like this. Okay, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Minus 1, or you take away 1. All right. So this finger, you need to take away this one. Okay. So how many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 minus 1 equals 6. Okay. So I think you can answer this alone. Once again, you ask your mom or your dad's help so they can guide you in answering this worksheet. And teacher will give you time for you to solve. And then later, you will see if your answers are correct. So are you done? Okay, it's time for us to check your answer. Okay, so again, 5 minus 2 equals 3, 7 minus 1 equals 6, 10 minus 10 equals 0, 8 minus 0 equals 8. So I hope all your answers are correct. Okay, so that's all for today. Don't forget to tell or to ask mom or dad to kindly take a picture on the pages that you answered in the worksheet and send it to WhatsApp. So thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Here's my big smile. Bye-bye. Thank you and God bless.